Get paid for listening to music. Most people think you can't make real money just by listening to music. But what if I told you that is not entirely true? Today, I'm teaching you how to use this incredible platform where you can actually get paid for jamming out. So let me tell you something about this platform. It's something that people from all around the world are using every day. And the best part, they are earning while listening to music. Yep, you heard that right. And I'm going to walk you through exactly how they are doing it step by step. Let's start with the basic, how you get paid. There are a ton of different ways you can withdraw your money from this platform, whether you prefer PayPal, Pay, web money, perfect money, or even cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum. They have got you covered. And here a sweet little detail. The minimum payout is just $1. So you don't need to have 100 or 1,000 saved up before you can cash out. It's pretty chill, right? Now, the first step is signing up for one of those payment platforms so you can actually receive your money. And if you're all about PayPal, just head over to paypal.com and create an account. It's super simple. If you are more into Pay or any of the other options, just go sign up and get your account set up. This is crucial because without it, all you have earned money will be stuck in limbo and nobody wants that. Alright, with that out of the way, let's move on to the fun part, finding the music. There's this site called pixelbay.com. Maybe you have heard of it. It is an amazing platform loaded with copyright-free resources, photo, video, and yes, music too. And when I say copyright-free, I mean you can re-upload this stuff to other platforms without having to worry about any legal headaches. They give you full right, no string attached, and it's all free. So what you want to do is go to pixelbay.com/music. You will find a ton of different music in all of sort of genres, and everything from electronic, beat to hip-hop, modern, classical, and more. Seriously, there are thousands of tracks just waiting for you to hack out. And here where it gets really interesting. Each of those songs can potentially make you around $7. Sound pretty cool, right? So what you do is simple. Start by listening to a few tracks. Let's say you stumble upon a hip-hop track that really catches your ear. Hit play, listen to it, and decide if it is something other people might vibe with too. If it is not your jam, just move on to the next one. But if you find a track that got that special something, that's when the magic happens. Download it to your computer, and here's the thing. You want to download as many as those as possible. The more tracks you download, the more opportunities you have to earn. So maybe grab 10 to 20 songs to get started. Now let's talk about the next step, uploading those tracks to a platform where you can make money from them. There's this site called forever.com, and it's basically a file sharing service that's not only let you upload your file for free, but also pays you when people download them. Sound almost too good to be true, right? But it's legit. Here's how it works. When someone downloads a file you have uploaded, like one of those songs, you grab it from Pixelbay, they get shown some ad just like in YouTube or Facebook. They can skip the ad, but the platform shares the ad revenue with you. So it is a win-win situation for both you and the platform. You are making money and so are they. First things first, you need to sign up for an account on uploadforever.com. It is a straightforward process. Just enter your basic detail like your name, email, and password, and you are good to go. Once you are in, you can log in anytime and start uploading your file. There is even a section where you can see exactly how much you will earn based on where the people download your files are located. For example, if they are from a tier 1 country, you might earn around $7 per 1,000 download. Not bad, right? But let me tell you, it gets even better. You can also refer other people to the platform, and whenever they sign up and start uploading files, you get a cut of the earnings too. It's like getting up a little passive income stream on the side. Listen carefully, this site is similar when starting an online course. It's simple. First, you choose either to use your Facebook account or create a new one. Make sure not to grab someone else's photo, that's illegal. Next, join Facebook groups that you think are facing problems that can be solved by your music list. Something like YouTube creator asking why they always get a copyright strike using some music. Now, once you have uploaded your song, you can track everything from My Files section. You can even set the price for your song. Let's say you want to charge $7 per download. It's up to you, and the reason people will download those songs, well, a lot of creators out there need copyright-free music for the videos, commercial, and project. But not everyone knows about sites like Pixelbay, so they end up searching on platforms like .com instead, and that's where you comes in. Now, here's the part where I need to be real with you. Making serious money from this does take time and effort. You need to promote your download links on social media, get people interested, and keep the momentum going. It's not get a rich quick scheme by any means. But if you are willing to put in the work, the reward can be pretty sweet. And here's a little tip from me to you. When you are uploading those files, take some time to write good descriptions and titles. It might seem like a small detail, but it makes a difference. The more appealing your upload looks, the more likely people are to download it. Well, you can use ChatGPT for that. And remember guys, consistency is key. The more songs you upload, the more chances you have of making money, alright? So let's recap what we have covered so far. First, sign up for a payment platform like PayPal or Payee. Then go to Pixabay, find some great music and download it. Finally, upload those tracks to upload-forever.com and start earning money every time someone downloads your files. And don't forget, you can also refer others and earn a little extra on the side. And that's pretty much it. It's a simple process, but like with anything worth doing, it takes a bit of dedication to see real results. I know it can seem a bit overwhelmed at first, especially if you are new to this kind of things, but trust me, once you get the hang of it, it's pretty straightforward. I know it might not make you a millionaire overnight, but it's a fun way to make some extra cash, especially if you love discovering new music. And who knows, you might just find your new favorite song while you are at it. And if you're feeling a bit unsure, that's totally normal. When I first started exploring uncommon ways to earn money online, I was a little skeptical too. But the more I learned it, the more I realized it there are so many ways to make money online if you are just willing to think outside the box a little. It's all about finding what works for you and sticking with it. So if you are up for the challenge, give it a shot. Worst case, you end up with a new playlist of cool songs. Best case, you start making some extra cash while enjoying your favorite tunes. And hey, you did not spend a single cent with this. Now, if you like to learn how to invest in an ETF, make sure to click this one. But don't click on it just yet. Make sure to subscribe if you want to grow your wealth, okay? Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Peace, bye!